with packing of very soft nutrition bottles. These bottles are used in the professional medical sector for enteral filling. As you can see, even though it's a bottle, they are as soft and deformable as a pouch. Our approach was to move away from traditional multi-laning solutions at the infeed of the case packer, as it's creating pressure during the accumulation phase and could consequently generate misshaped bottles, which will then affect the batch collation efficiency. We needed to handle two main collations, a 2x4 with 1 liter bottles at 170 products per minute, and a 3x4 with 500 ml bottles at 250 products per minute, which requires to be rotated 90 degrees before packing. Both formats are to run at 21 wraparound cases per minute. Let's go! Challenge accepted! The products arrive on one lane with limited accumulation and back pressure. Then our Cermex ProSelex infeed system gently collects the batches on the fly in 4 packets of 3 bottles each. The batch is sent to an orientation table and rotated by 90 degrees, before being packed in a wraparound blank extracted previously from its magazine. The loaded cases are then closed and sealed with hot melt glue. Even if the counter pressure from the bottles inside the case is limited, the wraparound blanks are square and sealed perfectly, as vacuum arms hold the flaps firmly at the closing station. Digital counters, as well as easy collating tooling replacement enable fast, simple, repeatable format changeovers, ensuring the vertical ramp-up of the packer when the line restarts. A flexible solution combining product integrity and high-speed performance. Hey! Challenge solved!